Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth MotorCars. Today we're showcasing our 66 Chevrolet Super Sport. This guy is powered by a big block Chevy 454 and a Muncie 4-speed. Let's take a look. In the engine bay, just like everything else, everything has been touched on this guy. So this car was originally powered by a 396. We've stabbed in a 454 on here. We've got a brand new serpentine belt drive up here. Has everything, AC, power steering, new water pump, new alternator, everything that you could want. We do have Willwood disc brakes all the way around that are boosted. As you can see, we've got the chrome master and booster combo on here. Looks nice with the chrome valve covers, air cleaner, everything like that. We do have a 2-row aluminum radiator with dual electric fans also. On all four corners wheel-wise, we do have Riddlers on here. Take a look. And like I said, Willwood disc brakes. You do have the Willwood big brake kit up front, drilled and slotted rotors, the good way to do it. And in the back, Riddlers also with the Willwood drilled and slotted rotors. Smaller caliper though. Coming around back, we did have a stereo put in this guy, dual 10-inch subs on here, along with new carpet and upholstery all in the trunk. Looks super nice. The paint on this guy also is beautiful. As I always say, the camera doesn't pick it up, but man, this white over red is absolutely gorgeous. Take a look inside here. You guys know we don't play around here. This car has brand new seats, brand new carpet, floor mats, dash, everything like that. Absolutely stunner of an interior. Let's circle back around to the driver's side. I want to show you guys the gauges, AC, everything like that. As you can see, we've got the billet specialty wheel up here, high dollar wheel, ask me how I know. Full Dakota digital gauge cluster up here. You do have a brand new radio, AM, FM, everything like that. And the AC system is running off the factory controls, as you can see in the middle there. Heat, AC, everything like that all works. This guy is the classic big block, 4 on the floor, everything you could want in a Chevelle. Let's go drive it, see how it does. All right, now this right here, guys, this is a true hot rod. Spin the tires a little bit on that corner. This thing just sounds so good, man. I've always liked these big body cars. The Chevelles are definitely my favorite over the Camaros, Corvettes, stuff like that. The longer wheelbase, to me, I don't know, I think they ride so good, but it'll pop there. It is still cold outside, guys, about 40 degrees out here, so we gotta give this thing a little bit of time to warm up on here. But man, this car just drives good, rides good. It's got the sound. Whenever we were doing our inspection on all of our cars that we do, we were driving this car and we're like, man, it's spinning the tires a lot. And we look in the back, it wasn't spinning the tires, it was blowing through the clutch. So this guy does have a new single disc clutch kit in there from McLeod, holds all the power just fine, and it's still very streetable. I mean, I can drive it with 2 toes, you know what I mean? And not a super heavy clutch. Always what I think about anytime I drive in one of these cars, we were just in the 65 Corvette, the car before this. This car is 49 years old. It's hard to believe that we can still drive around a car like that. It's always special to me, especially whenever they're powered by big blocks, everything like that. LSs are really cool, don't get me wrong, but you'll never get over that big block rumble and sound. Just feels right. That's how the best way I can describe it. I don't know, man. There's something about the sound of a big block Chevy. This car does have long tube headers and Flowmaster mufflers, but like I said, it's the classic combo. I really hope that picks up good on camera because this car sounds so good. This is that classic original muscle car sound. Whenever you think of a muscle car, whenever you see movies, whenever you see music videos, this is what you think of right here. I'm not sure if I touched on it also. This car does have adjustable coilovers in the front, tubular arms also. It does have a UMI sway bar in the front and the back also. It's been upgraded over factory. So steering wise, driving wise, it drives awesome. Let's go and pull back in the dealership here. I'll give you guys a little bit more details. All right guys, so we drove this car, looked at this car. Let's take a look underneath, see what it's got. As I told you, it's got that UMI suspension package on here, so what that gets you is front and rear control arms. You get that front control arm right here. You do have upper and lower tubular control arms up front here also, along with your coilover right here. Don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up, but you do have your adjust mounts right here, so you can adjust how hard or soft it rides. Take a look at these floors underneath here too. These floors are in awesome shape, not an ounce of rust on this guy. They're super, super clean. Here's the other end of that UMI kit, so you get that rear sway bar right here, along with your lower and upper control arms right here, along with new springs on the back of this guy too, right here. New shocks as well. Man. What do you think, man?
Dude, whoa.
Slick ride, right?
Nice. How much?
$89.9, man. All right, guys, this is our, like I said, 66 Chevrolet Chevelle. We are asking $89.9 for this guy. And whenever I say everything has been touched, everything, interior, drivetrain, suspension, paint, everything on this car has been done. So come in, take it for a test drive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.